Alright. Oh, tax dollars at work. What the hell is that?
There's big ruts in the road.
Okay.
I gotta pay attention to it now.
Alright, this is Keene Road at Carty Parkway. And the road is clear now.
Rut.
Rut row. And very few cars out today.
Another rut.
Your captain today will be Robert Magee.
Oh! Camera!
In our Ford
Big
F-250.
bumps.
Oh, that's right. You're walking down the street. Holy crap, holy. Anyways, we'll be in our Ford F-250, 1989. And there's the sledders. There's the sledders sledding down the hill. Holy crap, holy, man. As long as our doors don't fall off, we'll be okay. We're driving across railroad tracks. That's what it sounds like. Oh.
No suspension.
No, we got the heavy duty suspension. You talk. This is an F-250 HD, which is like an F-350 really. Ultra stiff suspension. So it can haul a lot of weight. But we don't have a whole lot of weight, so we're riding around stiff. Oh, okay. And the sun is out. Yay!